Hello everyone. Do you think that I am giving you muscle building tips? No, not at all. If you are thinking that this video is going to be about muscle building, no, I am going to talk about English speaking. As you are aware about, I have uploaded so many videos, but I am not getting views. But I am showing the consistency in my videos. I'm just going to talk about the consistency because consistency is more important than confidence and motivation. That is the reality. As I am growing my muscles, it took me a lot of time. More than 6 months to grow like this, to grow up like this. But if you are thinking that we can learn English in just 7 days. There are so many YouTubers are uploading videos about learning English. They are saying that just ये वाली tips follow करो 7 दिन के अंदर आप English फटाफट बोलना सीख जाओ. No यार, it cannot be happen. So guys, I'm just going to talk about that. This is the reality. It takes a lot of time, whether we are talking about any skills, whether we are going to learn any kinds of new skills, any new language, if we are going to build muscles, it takes a lot of time, guys. That is the reality. We must not go beyond the reality. We must understand what is the actual reality, what is the fact. Guys, the fact is it takes a lot of time. If we are watching those videos and we are getting motivated by watching the videos that we can learn English after following these tips, we can learn English in just 7 days, in just 1 month. No, you cannot. But I'm not demotivating you. I'm just saying that you must understand कि इंग्लिश सीखने में आपको काफी समय लगेगा, एटलीस्ट 6 months. You after 6 months you will be able to speak. Very good. You will be able to be fluent. बट आपको ये नहीं सोचना है कि मैं जस्ट यदि 6 महीने लगेंगे तो why should I learn this language? Why should I give a lot of time for this? I'm going to stop. I'm not going to learn this language. Not at all. Because ये बहुत ज़्यादा boring process है. This is going to be very very boring process that we are going to learn a new language, and we will have to be disciplined. We will have to be consistent in our learning journey. So it demands a lot of things if we want to learn this language as soon as possible. So we must we must look for the possibility. What is the possibility? If we want to learn this language in just 6 months, so we will have to practice a lot. We will have to learn a lot. We will have to write a lot. We will have to listen a lot. We will have to give up listening Hindi songs, and whatever we used to listen to the song, Hindi videos. We will have to stop because we just want to learn this language in just 6 months. We just want to be fluent. यदि हम चाहते हैं कि इतनी जल्दी में इतने समय में इंग्लिश बहुत ही अच्छे से बोल पाएं, तो आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी. उसके लिए बहुत ही ज्यादा टाइम देना पड़ेगा. तो ये डिपेंड करता है आप पर कि आप कितनी जल्दी बोलना चाहते हो. बट ऐसा कहीं भी नहीं है कि यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक इन जस्ट 7 days. 7 दिन में आप बोलने लगोगे, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. 1 महीने के अंदर भी नहीं बोल पाओगे. दैट is exactly what I wanted to talk about. that कि 7 दिन के अंदर या 1 महीने के अंदर या 2 महीने के अंदर आप completely इंग्लिश सीख जाओगे, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. There is no one who can teach you this language in just 2 months. I'm not talking about the extraordinary person or extraordinary human being. There may be the exceptions. There are the exceptions, but I'm just talking about in general. If we are going to learn new thing, if we are going to learn a new language, if we are going to learn a new skill, if we are going to develop the muscles, if we are going to build muscles, so it takes a lot of time. As you are able to see, I have given 6 months for building muscles. Even then I am not able to grow a lot, but I am seeing the changes. So that's why I am not feeling any kinds of demotivation. I'm just motivated by this. By these results that I'm getting, because I'm literally gaining the good results. दैट्स वाई आई एम हैप्पी. सो आपको ये बस आपको ध्यान में रखना है. यू जस्ट हैव टू पे अटेंशन टू द थिंग्स दैट कि आप थोड़ा बहुत ही ग्रो कर रहे हो. Just you are growing a little every day. You are growing, so you must enjoy your present. You must enjoy your moments. I mean that you are I mean learning new things every day. You are growing. So आपको यदि आप 7 दिन के अंदर सोच आपने if you have I mean fixed it in your mind that I am going to learn this language in just 7 months, I mean in just 7 days or 1 month, and if you will not be able to do it, so feel boring, you will feel, I mean, stressed. Yes, that is the reality, because we when we I mean put the accepts I mean expectations in our mind, and when we are not able to achieve that thing in that timeline, I mean within that timeline, so we are just being frustrated, we are just being stressed, we are just being stressful all the time. We will not be able to do the things as we used to do. It is happening with me, the same thing is happening with me. That's why I'm telling you. So just believe in yourself, and you are going to learn this language. Just enjoy every day, give enough time, at least 2 hours every day. And I already have talked about that there are 5 things important for learning this language. Only any new language, there are only 5 things, and it is just English. It is just about English language, and that is very easy because we are already taught this language in our schools from first class to 12th class. This is a compulsory subject in our classes. That's why I'm telling you that English is going to be very easy language. If we are going to talk about that, you have to learn. You have to learn. I mean, any other language like South Indian language. If you come from North Indian states, and I am just giving you, I am just saying that you have to learn this. I mean, Tamil language. You will not be able to understand a single sentence, a single word, because you are not aware about that I mean subject. That's why English is important, I mean very easy language to learn. So just take it easy, man, and take it like that this is just a language, not more than that. And that is very easy. That is the reality. If you enjoy the process, you are going to learn this language. There is no one who can stop you to speak very good English. There is no one who can stop you to be fluent. And that's why I just made this video, so that you can clarify your misconceptions, so that you can clarify your confusions that you have in your mind. Okay, so if you like this video, then like and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. Okay, we will meet in another very specific video. Have a good day. Bye bye.